Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use temp mail. Here you can go and open this website, temp mail, tempmail.org, disposable email. Okay, so on this website you will get an email for which you can easily use for different type of purpose, like you can create account using this email. For example, let me go here and type CodePen. This is a website where I want to create a free account. Let me click here sign up button, scroll down, and here we need to add email, then add the username, then add the name, then add the password here. Now let me scroll down and click here submit. Okay, now let me go back to the temp mail. Let me scroll down. Here you can see I got this email. Now let me scroll down and click here to verify email. So that's done. In this way you can easily use temp mail for different type of purpose.